In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a custom contact form to your WordPress website using Google Forms. This process is simple and effective, allowing your visitors to easily reach out to you without any hassle. Now, let's dive into the steps together to get your contact form up and running. First, we're going to start by creating your form. Head over to your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. This is where the magic starts. Google Forms is a user-friendly tool that makes creating forms a breeze. Once you're there, you'll need to create a new form with fields that make sense for your contact page. Typically, you'll want to include fields like name, email, and message, so your visitors can provide you with the necessary information to get in touch. Take a moment to set these up, making sure each field is clearly labeled and easy to fill out. Once your form is ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, the next step is to send and embed it. You'll want to click on the Send button at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see several options, but we are looking for the Embed option, which is depicted by the icon. Click on that to generate an HTML embed code for your form. This is the code we'll use to integrate the form into your WordPress site. Go ahead and copy that embed code to your clipboard. Now that you have your embed code at the ready, it's time to add it to your WordPress page. Start by logging into your WordPress account and navigate to your dashboard. From there, you have the choice to either create a new page by going to Pages and selecting Add New, or if you already have an existing contact page that you'd like to use, you can edit that instead. Once you're on the page where you'd like to place your form, look for the option to add a new block. This is done by clicking plus Add Block. In this menu, choose Custom HTML. You'll see a blank space in front of you now, and this is where the magic happens. Paste the Google Form embed code that you copied earlier right into this space. Easy, right? Next, you can click Preview to see how the form will appear to your visitors. It's a good practice just to make sure everything looks great and works smoothly. Once you're happy with it, click Publish to make the form live on your site. And just like that, your visitors can now send you messages directly through your newly created contact form. You've made a seamless and professional contact page, and your audience will appreciate the direct line of communication. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, feel free to explore more help docs or forums online. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Take care and happy website building!